Yum, 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 candy rains. Baby shark eats once again. Pop, pop, pop goes jelly booms. Candy flying round the room. Oops, oops, tummy shake. Too much candy, tummy ache. Baby shark finds candy store. Chocolate falling on the floor. Lollipops and gummy bears. Candy flying everywhere. Baby shark says more, more, more. Then eats a giant candy where as yum, 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 chew, chew, chew. Too much candy, what to do? Baby shark jumps super high. Candy shooting to the sky. Spin, spin, spin around the chair. Sticky jelly in his hair. He slips and slides across the floor. Then wants candy even more. Kitty hears a boom, boom, boom. Candy bouncing round the room. Baby shark goes, oh no me. My tummy feels all wiggly. Kitty says, now listen here. Too much candy's not good, dear. No, 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 candy stop. Time for healthy munch, munch, chop. Kitty brings banana shake. One apple slices on a plate. One crunch, crunch, crunch goes carrot bite. Baby shark feels all right. Water splash and soup so warm. Healthy food becomes the charm. Crunch, 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 healthy fun. Strong and happy everyone. Baby shark now dances slow. Healthy power starts to grow. Candy sometimes is okay, but not all night and all day. Kitty laughs and claps with glee. Healthy habits lead me. Yum, 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 candy treat. But healthy food is good to eat. Kitty helps and saves the day. Happy shark can laugh and play. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you. Ooh-three. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. But wait, wait, wait. What's that sound? Kitty's cake is dancing round. Shake, shake, shake. Spin around. The crazy cake is bouncing round. Pretty's birthday starts today. Balloons and candy everywhere. Presents stacked up by the wall. And friends are dancing big and small. Happy birthday, clap, 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 clap. Kitty wears a party hat. Happy birthday to you, catchy. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you, catchy. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Big, big cake sits on the stand. Kitty smiles and starts to dance. But suddenly the cake says hey. Then jumps right up and runs away. Shake, 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 catch the cake. Don't let it escape today. Cake rolls fast across the floor. Kitty chases out the door. Happy birthday to you, Pet Pooh. Happy birthday. Happy birthday! Ooh. Happy birthday! Ooh. Dancing cake and kitty too! Oh no! Kitty woke up feeling weird, dear. Something's wrong, I'm a bit feared. She tries to jump but goes up. I don't feel well, I move too slow. She sneezes loud. Oh no, Kitty, what to do? Sound! Friends all gather looking sad. Boo! Kitty feeling really bad. What? Dina runs in with Dr. Bag, wearing coat and little tag. Don't worry, Kitty, I'm here now. We will fix you, I know how.
Kitty, let's check your ears.
He checks her ears, he checks her nose. He looks at paws, he gently goes I see the problem clear. Too much candy, that's the fear. Kitty says, oops, I ate too much. Dino smiles, it happens much. Now drink juice and rest a while. Soon you'll get your happy smile. Raj! He gives a sticker, shiny star. Brave Kitty, you've come so far. He taps her head, says you're okay. Fever, go now, go away. Kitty slowly starts to grin. Dr. Dino, you helped me win. She jumps up, feels super fine. Now I feel completely shine. Dino dances, clap, clap, clap. Kitty gives a happy tap. All is good, no more scare. Health is fun when friends care.
Feeling better now?
Kitty is happy, feeling great. Dr. Dino saved her fate. Jump and sing, don't be slow. Healthy life is way to go.